What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Board Progression. We're back at Pyramid Rock. It's an extremely windy, crazy day. May 7th. There's been like 20 inches already in the last 48 hours. It's supposed to be another 10 throughout the day. Let's just drop because it's frigid cold.
And we gotta, well, now our window's lost. I'd wait.
And it's extremely windy.
There's your window.
Thank you, hey, yeah. All right, ready?
Go.
Drop it. Buddy, nice. Didn't even know what was there.
Goalie?
Yeah. Nice job.
Oh, punchy.
It's chunky, huh? Yeah. I almost ate it trying to follow you.
way.
It's deads down here, guys. It's deads down here. And this is what happens when there's only one lift open and there's like a 2-foot pow day. Woo!
It's February 14th and winter's here, but really it's May 7th.
Yes, May 7th. That's from just since we've been here.
That's from an hour ago.
From like an hour ago. Still coming down, guys. And yeah, I don't know what to say. This is probably the best May riding maybe I've ever had.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, I got some of my best lines ever at the bird today.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't film it, but we did center grab just for us. And
I filmed it. I'll send you the head footage.
it was incredible. Oh, that would be sick. Yeah, if you want to add that. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed that footage, then you saw it. But yeah, this was not quite best commentary ever. This is what happens if I don't film for like a week or two. Haven't filmed in a while. But yeah, this wasn't quite a top to bottom, but we had top to bottom-ish moments in it. So hope you guys liked it. This is the time of year where we don't post quite as much as we were. And
because the snow stops.
Because the snow stops and a lot of people are moving on to summer things. But as we were saying, we would prefer an ice age. Let's just bring on another ice age. We don't need. Are you stopping over there?
What's happening right now? I said it was February 14th. There's love in the air today.
There's love in the air, man. They just met today.
They did.
They
in
met.
The singles line. That singles line taken a long time.
They met in the white room.
Ooh. Crashed into each other in a solemn embrace. Such dorks. All right, bye guys.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys have a great summer if I don't post for a while. And thanks to everybody who's made this season a great one. Thanks to this guy for always holding the camera and being a boss on the
You're
snowboard.
welcome, bud.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Dual dark sides today, by the way.
Oh,
so good.
dual dark sides.
Yeah.
Dark
Dark sides. We're working on that jingle still. All right, guys. See ya.